friends, I'm on a very rough road. I'm here behind the airport again. I'm going to Delta Cargo. This time I'm going to pick up a bird. My friend Chase Austin has sent this bird, and she has flown all the way from Austin, Texas, and boy, are her wings tired. Huh. Sorry about that. Jeremiah's over here snickering at me. Dad jokes. I know what kind of bird this is. I'm just not sure exactly what color she's going to be. I should probably put this phone down and drive with both hands, huh? Okay, we got her. She is in the carrier. I don't know how he got away without wrapping it in window screen, but she's a beautiful turquoise quaker. She's beautiful.
Now you can see her.
Yeah, almost as pretty as you, Jeremiah. Well, let's get her home. Now, I know it's really loud, and I know she's hard to see, but that's her in her new flight, right next to the male that I have for her. He is a blue opaline male quaker, of course, and she is a turquoise blue opaline female quaker, of course. Now, she is also split to or carrying the recessive gray gene. In Indian ringnecks, gray gene is a dominant mutation, but in quakers it is a recessive mutation. I'll leave these two side by side for a few weeks, and then I'll put them together, and hopefully we'll have babies from them by the end of the year. That would be really, really nice. Quakers are not my favorite. You all know that I like ringnecks and cockatiels and macaws, but quakers are really nice. Quakers are something that Daniela really loves. She likes their personality. We have only a single pair of quakers so far. This is just our second pair right now. Our other pair is just a blue pair, and they unfortunately crack almost all of their eggs. The very last egg that we got to hatch from them, that baby went to live with Mary Carl at Coghill Farm. He really likes her. I could have probably put them together right away. I may put her in with him in a few days. May not wait several weeks. We'll see. But I'll put him into her cage. I have some more toys ordered from Amazon, and they'll be here in a few days. And we'll get them in here for her. share them around to some of the birds. She has a swing in her cage already. He has a couple of swings and some other toys in his cage. I think they're adorable. What do you think? This is the male from our existing pair. That's the female sticking her head in and out of the box. Let's take a look inside this box and see. You can see I've given them this weird L-shaped box, drop-down box. Now look, there is an egg in there. So far, as of yet, it is not broken. If I leave this in there, they will break it. Oh, that fell on its own. I'm going to put this in with a pair of cockatiels or budgies. Let's see what we can find. Here we go. She's got 6 little parakeet eggs. I'm going to put this QUAKER egg, nestle it in there. And yeah, it's much bigger, but she'll sit on it. She'll hatch it. I may have to help feed them. So there's the daddy and the mama in the background. Good parents. Worth their weight in gold to me. There's that other pair. These lights that he put in here, they are extremely bright. Aren't they nice? Well, Forest Man, what do you think? Huh? You want to say bye-bye? Bye. Bye-bye, Forest. He is 20 years old now. I got him when Jonathan was just 1 year old. He's a handsome man. He and I have been friends for a long time. Hello. Well, friends, thank you for watching. God bless you. Forrest and I love you. Bye-bye. Here we have the hormonal teenage boy. He's very angry. He's outside his natural habitat, which normally would be in front of a computer screen. Ow. 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 He's flexing his dominance. His ever maturing aggression. Ow.